Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've had 3 little parcels come through the letterbox. I've been ordering all sorts of bits and pieces with sort of smashing specials in mind. So yeah, these are quite possibly little special drill projects. So let's get into the first one and have a look and see what we've got. Okay, so let's get into project number 1 and have a look. Yeah, we're definitely special drill. So we have, okay, we've got some beads, right, and we have some gems, and we have, some more beads, and we have an owl. Oh, I know what this is. I've done another size thing again. This is actually a necklace. And I've seen sets of like necklaces and earrings and all sorts coming out in diamond painting now, lots of different special drill items. And yeah, I thought, an owl necklace, that would be quite pretty to do. But this is huge. It's single-sided. I thought it'd be like a little pendant, you know, sort of that size, but this is, goodness me, what's this, about 4 or 5 inches? Yeah, so that's sort of 4, so where are we to the bottom? If you go from the tip of the ear down to the base of its tummy there, that is 5 inches by 4 inches across, which is 10 centimetres. Oh my goodness me. Right, I did not expect that to be that size. I mean, it's lovely, but it's more what you get as the pendant size to hang on a wall, not to hang around your neck. Definitely a statement piece. Oh my goodness. Right, okay, so it's acrylic with a white back. We've got the little holes in it there for the necklace part to go through. And then we've got little holes at the bottom there for hanging all the little dangly things on the bottom. Oh goodness, okay, it is also, as I say, special drill, but that is just so funny. I do it so many times. I order these things and expect them to be like small. Yeah, it's a DIY owl pendant acrylic diamond painting, and it is a necklace. It is shown in the pictures as a necklace. It has cost me £5.40. So is this the necklace for it to go on then? Is this the chain for it to go on? And I think they're probably the beads to hang it from the bottom. Oh goodness. This is just so funny. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, that's quite pretty. You've got all your little beads there threaded onto like a wire. And then, good size lobster claw clasps at the end there. So you will fasten him there. Oh my goodness me. So your lobster claw will go through your little bits there, and that will hang around your neck. And then you will have these little dangly wires at the bottom. So yeah, if you walk into a room wearing this, you're definitely going to stand out. People will notice you. That is a definite statement piece. Why have we got an extra one? Have we got 6 or have we got 5? I think there should only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there is 6. Okay, so they're right, so they're all sort of slightly off centre. So they hang like that. So that's going to be your owl necklace. So let me just, show you him. With his little sparklers hanging from the bottom there. Oh, I mean, he's lovely. I love the colours. He's very, very pretty. He looks very wise. Actually, he looks as though he's looking at me as if to say, you should have measured me before you got me. You know what you like. Everything either comes bigger than you expected or smaller than you expected. And that is definitely big. I mean, that's my hand. It's as big as my hand. Wow. Let's measure the chain and see how big this is. I'll do it in half because it'll go off the end of the desk if I do it. So we'll do it from the actual beaded bit to the beaded bit. It's 26 inches long altogether, or it is 66 centimetres. So, you know, it's going to dangle quite far down your front. I suppose if you spilt food down your front, it's quite good at hiding any stains on your front. Oh, goodness. I think I'm going to be more inclined to actually use this as an ornament rather than a necklace. It is big. Maybe, I suppose, well, it depends what I'm going to be wearing. Yeah. If I do ever wear it, I will put a photograph of it. I will let you see it. So you've just got your basic toolkit there. Let's have a look at these drills. Oh, goodness. So we've got your basic silver drills there, your gems. A lovely blue. That is gorgeous. That is going to be very pretty. I'm not sure that it particularly... I don't know that I would have put that chain with those colours. I suppose it'll make it stand out again a bit more. But, you know, we're very much just sort of like blue, gold, silver and white. And we've got oranges and pinks and everything in there and purples. So it's quite an unusual colour choice for the necklace. Or for the beaded chain for it. We've got your half sphere golds there, which are lovely. We've got those little like they're like a muted gold, not real shiny, but they look really effective when they're on a picture, those. And then your little half sphere pearls there as well. So wow, oh dear, that is just so funny. Just typical me. Right, let's just get this packed away and we'll have a look at the next one. Okay, so let's have a look at pack number 2 and see what this one is. Okay. Right. Oh, okay. Some large numbers on some grip seal bags. No, there's nothing on there to tell us. This one's coming a little clear thing. Okay. These are the earrings, right? So that's the earring fastenings that go through your ears. So yeah, I ordered an owl necklace and some earrings. I think these were flower earrings. That one's got a little bit bent actually, but it should just bend back. They're stud earrings. But where are the earrings? Oh dear. I think this could just be a let's start again, Liz. So we've got the earring bit that goes through your ear with the little hole to put the dangly bits that you diamond paint, and the little stems there, and we've got your tiny jump rings, which really are tiny. Goodness me. And that's a back for an earring there. Oh yeah, the other one's in the bag, that's okay. So we've got 4 little jump rings, but it looks as though they've not sent us the actual earring bit. Oh my goodness me, I'm just going to put these back in here because I don't want to lose them. Oh dear, yeah, I'll seal that back up. Yeah, that's definitely just I suppose I could always stick a green boat on the bottom of it. Or stick some gems into the wax. Yeah, so I don't think they're in here. It just looks like gems. Oh dear, so we've got 2 sort of earrings, and then it's supposed to have these like flowery things that hang down. Diamond pin, but we've not got them. I'll put a picture in of what it should look like. Oh dear me. So yeah, we've got some very nice gems. We've got some yellow ABs, and we've got some red faceted larger rounds, and some gold faceted larger rounds, and they're silver faceted rounds, and purpley faceted rounds, and then, oh, these are ever so staticky stuck together. 3 different marquees, 3 different colours of your marquees. So I've got some lovely gems, but nothing to put them on. It is quite a squished box, so whether they've dropped out and I've not realised, and they've been, I mean, they definitely weren't in that little packet. There's definitely nothing else in there, so I always do check the packets. Oh dear. I can contact the manufacturer and show them, I suppose, but whether they'll be able to do anything about it, I don't know, but it's worth a try. But yeah, so that should have been a set of earrings. Oh dear, let's hope that the third item's a little bit more successful, shall we say. But they're very nice gems anyway. And those earrings with tax were £3.27. So I suppose I can use the studs. That's brilliant. That is just so funny. Oh dear. So we've a huge owl, some nearly earrings, and let's see what the last one is. In the hope that this one's going to be oh, this isn't jewellery, albeit it's about the same size as the owl. Maybe I could wear this around my neck as well. Okay. So this is one of those rotating wind chimes. So I don't know whether you've seen them. I suppose you've got to bend these out. It's come flat. Yeah, I think you have to sort of bend these. And you have one going one way with all the different, see if I can show you. They're very easy to bend actually, it's quite easy to do. And that one wants to bend more into the middle that way. Let's see if I can just get that one. So yeah, and then this one will bend this way. Okay, and I suppose you can bend it as much or as little as you want, and it's one of those where you put it hang it up and it spins round and you get the different effects from it. I think they usually have a little bit more on them, but yeah, so okay, but actually that's pretty good. It's cost me with tax £3.96, so certainly the ones I've seen in the garden centres have been a lot more money than this. So yeah, so it's up to you how much you bend it, where you put. I suppose you could make it into a full circle if you wanted to. Okay, and then the diamond painting part of it is this beautiful little blue dragonfly, which I thought was really sweet. Looks like he's all, yep, he's all one colour. Is he all one colour? Oh no, he's just got a little bit of pink in the middle there, and he's double-sided, so he's going to hang in the middle of your decoration there, so he'll really sparkle. Lovely in summer to catch the light, catch the sun. And he's also got, seems to be a standard gem thing, these. Let me have a look. Yeah, you've got your pen, your boat and your wax, and then yeah, these seem to be pretty standard. These little like gems, jewels on the bottom, they all seem to be the same colours. It's a shame you can't get them in different colours, and they will hang, they will have the large diamond hanging from the bottom, and then you will have your dragonfly hanging from there, which will be hung in the middle of your little sphere, your little zigzaggy sphere, wind chime, whatever you want to call it. So, or will it? No, I don't think that will. I think that's going to have to hang off the bottom there, isn't it? Because if that's hanging off there, that's not going to spin. So yeah, you're going to put your dragonfly in the middle, and then, oops, and then your jewel with your little gems is going to hang from the bottom there. Yeah, and then we've got 2 different size jump rings there, and we've just got 1 chain. Yeah, so this is going to take a little bit of working out. I wonder if they maybe want you to put the chain all the way through it, similar to one of the wreaths I did at Christmas. Oh no, that wouldn't work, would it? I'll have to work that one out and let you know when I've done it, because obviously you're going to need a chain to hang it up. And how big is that? We'll just flatten this back down a little bit again. So let's see, these jump rings are large, but that's not large enough to fix that from there to there. So you're going to need to be able to fasten that in, unless you use more than 1 jump ring. I will have to have a play about with that, but I will let you know once I've figured it out what to do with that. Possibly there is enough bits to do it, but it's just in which order you put them. So I will have a play about with that one off camera. But yeah, this is a little bit more successful than the owl. I'll pop the dragonfly. Will it go in there? No, it won't go in there. A little more successful than the owl and the earrings. And we've just got the 2 gems. It's going to be mainly the blue and the little pops of pink just on its front, just to give it a little bit more colour. The size of this, as I say, looks like it's going to be about 4 or 5 centimetres. 5 1/4 centimetres by, yeah, about 5 1/4 centimetres. So yep, we've got the hanging thingies more or less as the owl necklace. Oh, that is just so funny. Okay, well, you've got to laugh. So we have our little dragonfly hanging ornament. We have our little owl with the necklace, and then we nearly had some earrings. Okay, well, I hope you've had as much fun as I have looking through these and seeing my wonderful ordering and how good I am at measuring things. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see more disasters, no, if you want to come back and see what we get up to next, then please press that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join us here. And if you press the, if you click on the little bell, all notifications, you'll be notified when my next videos come out. So thanks for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.